I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a robot again. This one is from my children's book story, Captain Cuthbert and the Robot. Now this is Captain Cuthbert and he's not very nice. And he buys a robot. Now the robot is programmed to obey any command of its master. And he is the master. So you can imagine how wrong that's going to be, because he's greedy, he's lazy, he's mean. So yes, the robot is in the wrong hands there. So just a little bit there he is. His orders arriving by drone. A drone to a pirate ship, yeah. There's the robot. So this is just one bit. I'll just show you a little bit so I don't give away the story. You can get this story. I will put the link below in the comments. There you go. Robot, brush my beard. Robot, clean my ship. Robots, bring me champagne. I thought pirates have grog or rum. Do you know grog is made with they have it with a bit of seawater in. And robot, bring me food. There we go. So, and it's also in my book, The Visitor. So, this hasn't got Cuthbert in, it's got another nasty character. She's a bit of a evil character, the lady. So there it is, and he's a bit grumpy on that one, so you can see how I've done the eyebrows coming in like that, and it makes them a bit scary and angry looking, and I've done jig-jaggy teeth. So, and the reason that this one is angry is because the lady has programmed them to be destructive. So I'll show you a picture of her. She's not very nice. Can I find a picture of her in this book? Where is she? There she is. Not a nice lady. Trying to find a big one. I've got a big picture of her somewhere. Have a look at that. Oh, giving the story away there. Can't get it. Anyway, let's go on. You can have a look at that, because we want to do the drawing. So you'll find there's a trailer. If you fancy that book, there's a trailer. I'll put the links below so you can have a look. So I'm going to do him nice this time. So step with the head, and I'll show you how to draw to make him look a nice and friendly character. So I'm going to do that. Of course, a smile makes them look nice, so I'm just going to come around like that. Down and round. Trying to keep it level. Same thickness. I've done it a little bit wrong there. So eyes, like I've said in other videos, sometimes a bit difficult to draw circles. There's one. And then 2. See, I've drawn one a little bit smaller there. So what I would do is cut out a piece of card and draw around it. And you can place it where you want and then draw on it. There we go. So I want him to look nice, not grumpy. You saw on the other one, his eyebrows were like that, and it makes them look grumpy. Whereas this one, I'm going to draw in the opposite way. Like that. As you can see, it's making him look friendly. Okay. You can do them however thickness you want. So coming down, and it can make a character, if you draw them coming in closer, it makes the character look sad. So I just want him to look friendly and kind on this one. So that's that. I'm going to have a circle here, so the robot's head can move. Again here, I'm going to draw lines up here. And the same on this side. Down. Okay. Now for the shoulders, I'm going to do another circle like that. So we can move his arms around. Then I'm going to draw a cross like that. I'm going to draw down. Same on that side. and then around there like that. So that's how he's going to be his chest. And then we're going to have a bit here and a circly bit there. So we can move and twist. And I'm going to draw him some underpants on because I think it looks funny. No, it's just so he can move his legs. This looks like underpants though. There we go. Like that. And come down. Like that. Yeah, I would definitely advise you either use a compass or draw a circle, cut it out and copy the circle so it's the same size. Because as you can see, my eye's a little bit small. And you might want an eye a little bit small, different characters. But oh, my dog has trumped. That is lovely. Thank you very much, Annie. She's trumped in her sleep. It smells awful. So these are the knees. I'll shut up and carry on talking about the picture. There we go. They're the knees. That's so we can bend his knees. And then we're going to come down here like that. There we go. I'm going to do an ankle a bit here so it can move. Like that. There we go. And then some feet. That's 1 foot. Okay, I'm going to come down like that. For the other leg, try and get it level a little bit. Not always easy. There we go. And then the foot. Let's go round. And oh, I've done that a little bit fat compared to the other foot. There we go. So the arms. I'm going to come out from this circle and down to about there. So it's on almost level with that, isn't it? Same on that side. There we go. And then this way. Okay. And then I'm going to draw the forearm. So I'll go round here. And then I'm going to bring that down to about here. I want it slightly rounded. Like that, rather than completely straight. That can be a bit more straight. Now we need the hands, so I'm going to go out, in, across, up, diagonal, down, diagonal, cross, and then just like that. And then we need to do the same on this side. There we go. It's all rounded, a little bit rounded, so it looks softer, like that. And the hand goes down, out, cross, in. That's the thumb at the end. There we go. Done mine a bit big on that side, and that's him done. So yes, that's a character in 2 of my books. The first one is funny. The robot where he gets the robot, that one's funny. The other one, the visitor. So the visitor one, there's a lot in that. There's adventure, suspense. There's a friendship, and it'll make you laugh, and it'll make you not cry, but you'll like the characters. There is a little bit of a sad bit, but it ends up okay in the end. So that's that, and thank you for watching. Send me your pictures if you would like me to put them on my Facebook page. You'll find the contacts below. Yep, and thank you for watching. Yes, take a picture of you on your camera if you want to, on your phone camera of your work, and send them over or scan them in. So thank you very much. Goodbye.